Honors class. It's Thursday the 19th. Yesterday, or this morning, or last night, I don't remember, but I posted the Act 3, Scene 1 packet notes video, hopefully just to kind of clear up any misconceptions about what happens in that scene and maybe offer a little bit of insight, explain some of the language used that gets used. Anyway, I've posted our first, I guess what you would consider our first quiz down here. It's a fill in the blank quiz. And I've got two windows open. Actually, it's the same course. It's the same exact window, but the reason why I've got two is because you're going to need the Act 3 Scene 1 text, because the quiz is going to ask you about the text. And it is English class, let's face it. It's going to ask you about text. Now, I've never hit this button before. I'm a little nervous. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to scroll through both windows, but I just use escape to get out of it. But anyway, in the other window, if you open the quiz, by the way, there's no need to get anxious about it. I know it says quiz on it. I don't know if you can see or not. Well, I've got two submissions because I tried the quiz twice already. But I don't know if you can see, you get 5 attempts. So even if you mess up once or twice, you'll still have 3 chances to submit your best score. And I'll take the highest score, or Schoology will take the highest score. That's the way I have it set up. So right now I'm going to click start a new attempt. For you, if you're taking it for the first time, I think it'll just say start a new attempt with no submit. But I could have submitted these other two. I didn't get very far. I didn't even complete any of them. I was just looking at it for the most part. So if I were to submit those, I would end up with a 0 because I didn't answer any of the fill in the blanks. So I'm going to start a new attempt just so you can see what it looks like before you jump in. And it says here, it's fill in the blank. So question number 1 has 5 points. It's got 5 blanks. It says the first 35 lines of Act 3 Scene 1 informs the audience that it's a hot and, well, you'd have to go into the text, and I can see Benvolio pretty quickly. I think this goes in chronological order, this quiz, so you're going to end up scrolling. You're not going to scroll like back and forth like a crazy person. It's going to just be a scroll toward toward page 6. But it looks like Benvolio. It's a hot day. It's a hot day. This is partially why Mercutio is all fired up. It's because he's hot and miserable, and nobody likes to be miserable. A lot of these have a number of answers that you can respond to and still get it right. But it's a hot day. I think if you wrote down it's a hot afternoon, you would get credit for it as well. And Tybalt and the blank crew are out and around town. Well, it's the Capulet crew. Benvolio is a Montague. Mercutio he's not even a Montague. He's just friends with Romeo and Benvolio, obviously. So it's the Capulet. Oh my gosh, I'm hunting and pecking for the keys just because the computer's in a weird place. I'm a better typer than that. And not only is Mercutio moody, but he is likely to blank if he and Benvolio run into the Capulets on the street. And I bet you it's like they're going to fight. They're going to get in a fight. Anyway, that's the way this works. This one will ask you to submit. Will it? No, you can do all these. And you can go back and change them if need be. But it looks like there are 5, 9, 14, 21, 26, 33. Yeah, I can't count. Sorry. That was really embarrassing. Like 40 blanks. Something like that. But you got a resource. You can use this over here. I recommend it. And it's a lot easier when you're in the full screen. If you're looking for certain things, certain lines, certain words. And I believe, throughout this quiz, there are times when you're given a citation, like right here. On question 6, it refers to line 95. So you kind of know where to go. And like I said, this moves chronological. And you have five tries to take it. I think you can submit comments too. So if you're like, I don't know what's happening, or maybe I made a mistake, that's a possibility. But give it a whirl. Let me know how it goes. You can always direct message me, and we'll take it from there. Hopefully I haven't forgotten anything. Good luck. There's no due date on it, but just take it fairly soon. Talk to you soon.